Trendy Tuesday. Patty Durham from Moxie joins us today with more, and we brought a friend with us.
Yes, this is Moxie. She is our namesake. I love the word so much that I named the dog and the store Moxie. So
now, where did Moxie come from? I know you've explained this before, but I love the meaning behind it.
Yes, it's actually a 1930s-ish word that it means brazen and bold, and it just has a really great brave connotation to it, and a lot of times it is used to describe a female, so that's why I love it. My daughter's lucky she didn't get named Moxie.
Well, you have some brazen and bold outfits to share with us today, so let's get started. Tell us what we're going to look at today.
Sure. This is Ashley, and these are all my friends from Events and Design by Ashley. This is Ashley Moore, and she is wearing a beautiful embroidered tunic. Now, I always say that if you're tall, it's a tunic. If you're short, it's a tunic. And the awesome thing about this is that it's actually a tank. You don't need to take the jacket off, but she has a little jacket on over the top of it, and because she's taller, we decided to put some leggings with it, and it really just finishes the outfit. Now, during the summer, if you leave the jacket off and no leggings and just put flip-flops with it, that'd be a really great summer outfit as well.
We're talking about kind of that transition. We're in that time where you can still wear the dresses and the jackets and the sweaters and things like that, but you still want to make those transition pieces for spring.
Absolutely.
And this is perfect for that.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks,
Ashley. Let's take a look at the next one.
Yeah, this is Monica, and she has on what I call the trend that I call long layers, and maybe other people call it long layers too, I don't know, but a super long kimono with a longer tunic length shirt, and then she has on a new pair of our jeans that we just got in that are super ripped up and destroyed, which is always a super great trend for the spring as well. So I love that all these colors that we have going on. Interestingly, when I went to market, it was really hard to find color. Everything's very, very dusty this year. And so I tried very hard to find some color this year.
I love that bold orange. It really makes you stand out. It makes the orange on the kimono really pop. Now tell us a little bit about your jeans as well, because you're kind of known for your jeans in your store.
Thanks for noticing.
Yes,
so we have some great jeans at the store. This is actually a new brand for us. The brand that we carry very heavily doesn't do much destroyed or destruction, and the ladies are really looking for it. So I branched out, found a new brand, and I love the skinniness of the leg and the destruction that they have. So we have a couple of different pairs in the store that are very just blown out. One of them is really blown out in the knee, which is super fun and very trendy right now.
Right.
So
well, you can see you can definitely dress up even a pair of jeans that have some rips and some holes. You can dress them up.
I love jeans and heels. I love jeans and heels.
All right, let's take a look at the next one.
Thanks, Monica. This is Amy, and this, I'm going to yep, let's see that sleeve there, Amy. This is obviously a very great trend right now. This one actually also comes in burgundy. A couple of things that I really love about this, although I love floral, this is not floral, which is actually a little difficult to find right now. So it has a feather print on it, and notice the little crisscross on the chest there in the neck area, but I don't feel like that crisscross is too young.
Right.
So it's very good for, you know, maybe if we're not quite in our teens or early 20s anymore, but this crisscross works really well for her. I love the big sleeves, and again, we put this with leggings, and she paired it beautifully with brown booties.
Well, and I love this this top as well, because this is something you can dress up, wear to the office if you need to. You can also wear this on an evening out. It's a perfect transition top.
I love it. Yes.
Let's take a look at the next one.
Thanks, Amy. And this is Erin, and again, one thing that I do love about this is that it's not floral. I do love floral, I love floral, but this is what I found interesting about this stripe, besides the kind of old school Mary Tyler stripe colors in it, is that the stripe is running vertical instead of horizontal, which is actually kind of difficult to find. The detail in this is on the back though. Take a look at this detail. Stay right there, Erin, they're gonna pan down to show off the detail. So this has a really cool tie right here, which you can tie up a little higher if you want, but the cool thing about this also, so many cool things, is that the stripe is running in a very flattering way. So turn back around, Erin, and they're calling this kind of the secretary sleeve. So the big, huge sleeves like what Amy was wearing, if you're sitting at your desk all day, that sleeve is going to get in the way if you're sitting at your desk typing like so many people do. So this is kind of a secretary sleeve. That's what they're calling it, because even though it's a little bit fluted, it's out of the way.
Right. I love that. That kind of incorporates that the kind of the sleeve that's so in right now in just a smaller way, so you don't have to feel like it's so big. Let's take a look at all the outfits now together as we bring all the ladies out. And now, so I talked about how Moxie is well known for your jeans.
Yes.
You're well known also for your social media. You got to tell us about that.
Yes, social media is super fun. It's very time consuming, but it's a lot of fun. All of our customers are on social media. So Facebook is where I concentrate most of my time, but we are growing our Instagram. We're on Snapchat. We're on YouTube. We're pretty much, we've got a little piece of everything going on. So yeah, social media is really big, and that's where we glean new customers from too.
Yeah, and you can really get an inside look if you haven't been into the store. Get an inside look at you ladies behind the scenes as well. You go live. Tell us about that.
Yes, on every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. I do a live video, usually with a glass of wine in hand, and I do a little video about all of our new arrivals for the week. So Wednesdays at 7 p.m. on our Facebook page is where we do that. Sometimes I have guests on. I've had Ashley on before. I've had last year's Mrs. Kansas on, and some heads of nonprofits as well.
Right.
So
it's a great way to feature a lot of people in the community. You do a fantastic job of that.
Thank you very
and
much.
then also, if you're still looking for those outfits for the tournament coming up, Moxie's the place to go. So tell us where you can find Moxie.
Yes, we are located at K96 in Greenwich, just right in front of Cabela's, right in their parking lot. So super easy to find.
You can find their website right there, and then their Facebook as well. And then if you want to find them on Instagram, that's where I watch a lot of your live videos. You can just search Moxie Boutique. Thank you ladies so much for coming. You did fantastic, and you look beautiful. Thanks so much.
Guys.
All right, we'll be right back after the break. Stay with us.